into my life. I'm not successful. I love yoga. I don't do it enough. I would love to exercise. I'm too lazy or too sleepy. I would like to be healthy, but I have to put down that third dosa that I have to do and stop with 2. I have to do all these things. And I have to love everything around me and realize that I could walk out of Mehta Jewelry right now and get hit by a car, and it would have been worth nothing if I didn't live my life with those 5 words. So when I die, I want all of you to say, you know what? I like Shakti because she was a good person. It's because of peace, respect, grace, harmony, and fun. I teach my children as they teach me to have wonder and everything. This was actually in an animated movie. These animation movies tell us more than the non. I'm traveling, I'm working, I've got great kids, great family and friends, and such a wonderful community of people that I'm with. But I also have to always, so that I'm not complacent where I am. This whole spiritual, I don't know, this partly morbid train of thought comes from having broken the law recently, where I did watch India's Daughter, the documentary by Leslie Advent that's terrible. What he must be going through now. And her parents, you know, I think I'm an amazing parent. You look at them, they have nothing. They have a son, they have males in their family, but they gave up everything so she can get educated. And they have nothing. They're just the poorest village people. These are heroes. I am nobody. And you know what? It's okay. It's okay to look at them and admire them and learn from them so that everything I do in my life seems fabulous, but I don't just lie back and, you know, be complacent about it. So, thank you, Abhay. Work hours that I get to choose. And for me as, you know, this bad manager of children and family and work, this is the best job. I can work 18 hours, but I get to choose my 18 hours. But also it's, you know, people look at a film magazine and think, oh, it's just film, you know. It's, you know, if you look under the layer of glamour or what you see on screen, the film industry is something very interesting. It's full of people who are good, who are bad, who are efficient, who are technically qualified, who are idiots, and all of them somehow manage to put together something that day after day thousands of people go to see. And
today, friends from the press, thank you very much. And as usual, I'd just like to introduce my team here. Whereas Govind, he disappears as usual. He's inside there. And Ishani, of course, I've introduced you all to. Ritesh is here. Nishid, who's standing there at the back, and Gopi. Thank you all very much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
First I just thought I'd come, but she